The next one here is the mirror. uh, that basically, if you have a symmetry in your drawing and then you want to um, uh, use that, you can basically draw the half of your drawing and then um, uh, use the mirror to draw the other half for you. So for example, here, assume I'm gonna have and I'm gonna draw the rectangle. So I assume it's a rectangle and then I close it. So I assume this is a rectangle and then I want to mirror it to the right side of that. One way of that is that whenever we want to mirror it, we have to mirror it respect to some line. It doesn't matter if the line is there or is not there, but you have to have it. So first I start to visually, you see what happened. Also I draw this line here. I assume this is my mirror line. I want to mirror it respect to that one. So I can go ahead and click on the mirror, and then again it says all the objects you want to mirror. So you can select 1, 2, 3, any number of objects you have. So this is the only object I want to mirror. I click on that and then I press enter. Then it will says that define the mirror line. So you want to mirror it respect to what line. So I come here because I come here, I select the start of that line, I select the end of that line, and you will see it mirror it here on the right side respect to that line. um, and then it will ask you, do you want to keep the original object? Yes. Do you want to erase the original object? Yes or no. Usually we want to keep it. If you want to erase it, you can click on the yes and it will erase the original one. If you don't want it, just either click no or just press enter, and it will, you'll see that. So this one is mirror of that one respect to that one. But as one says, this line doesn't need to be there. So I would do the mirror also without the line. So if I go ahead and click on the mirror, select the object I want to mirror, press enter, and then it asks me to define the line. So if I come here and define the line here, just 2 points I can define, any 2 points that represent my mirror line, and then it's going to mirror it respect of that. So as you see, you can do, if you already have an, usually when we are drawing, we have some, for example, line already in the drawing that we can use that line as a mirror. But if the line is not there, you just can click any 2 points on the canvas and it's going to mirror it respect to that. And you can mirror it down as well. So for example, if I come here, click on the mirror, click on that object, and then press enter, and this time look at it. If I start the mirror line from here, if I bring it up, it's going to mirror it to the right, but if I bring it to the left, it's going to mirror it beneath that. So depend on where I put my line, so it's going to be mirrored with respect to that one, anywhere that I put the line. It's going to do that, or you can use the mirror line on top of that object as well. So I can go ahead and say, okay, click on the mirror, select the object, press enter, and then assume I want to mirror it respect to this edge here. So I can click on this one, I click on the top of that edge, and then press enter, and then you will see you are going to have the mirror of that drawing.